Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a stunning business logo using Canva. Logos are crucial for establishing your brand identity, and with Canva's user-friendly platform, you can design a professional logo that stands out from the crowd. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up or log in to Canva. First, you'll need to access Canva. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a clean interface where you can start designing right away. Step 2. Choose the right dimensions. Click on the Create a Design button, type Logo in the search bar, and select the Logo option. This will ensure that your design has the correct dimensions, which is typically 500 x 500 pixels, perfect for most branding needs. Step 3. Explore logo templates. Canva offers a variety of logo templates that can serve as a great starting point. Browse through the templates by either scrolling or using the search function. Filter by style or color to find something that resonates with your brand personality. Step 4. Customize your chosen template. Once you've picked a template, click on it to start customizing. Change the text to your business name and tagline. You can adjust font styles, sizes, and colors to match your brand's identity. Canva also allows you to explore various font combinations to see what fits best. Step 5. Add icons and graphics. To make your logo more distinctive, incorporate icons or graphics that represent your brand. Navigate to the Elements tab to find shapes, lines, and illustrations. Experiment with different icons until you find one that aligns with your business concept. Step 6. Choose your colors. Color plays a vital role in logo design. Select colors that reflect your brand's message and tone. Go to the Color Palette tool to customize the colors of your text and graphics, ensuring they complement each other and enhance visibility. Step 7. Group elements and adjust layout. After you have added all elements, group them to maintain a cohesive look. Adjust the layout as necessary to create balance. Canva allows you to align and distribute items evenly, which is essential for a professional appearance. Step 8. Review and refine your design. Take a moment to assess your logo design. Ensure that it is clear, legible, and conveys the right message about your brand. Make any final adjustments to colors, fonts, and positioning to enhance the overall look. Step 9. Download your logo. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download it. Click on the Download button in the top right corner and choose the file format that suits your needs: PNG, JPG, PDF. For logos, a transparent PNG is usually the best option. Step 10. Test your logo. Before officially launching your logo, test it against different backgrounds and materials, such as business cards or websites, to see how it performs. This gives you a chance to tweak any aspects if necessary to make sure it works well in various scenarios. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide on how to create an impressive business logo using Canva. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and tricks on branding and design.